Hello everyone. The project is the identify the spammer account and fake user on social network. So we can find the spammer in social network like a Facebook, tweet. So first you will have installed this library PyForest. Now I have used the np.random seed. So np.random seed, it is a function in numpy library that set the seed for generating the random number, and then I pass the sum n equal 1000, pass the sum number. Now create the data set. So df equal pd dot data frame, that this is the curly bracket, then where we pass some columns name, followers, following, tweet count, account days, reputation score, profile picture, or is spammer. Then for np.random, it automatically generate the number, and then we pass some 10,000 and size, give the size n. The same number is given. So it's working. The next one is the, now see the data set. So this is the data set. I pass the df dot head where I pass the 10 number. So it shows the 10 number. So this is the data set. These are the column name, followers, following, tweet count, account days, reputation score, and profile picture is spammer. Is spammer is one stand for is spammer, and zero stand for not spammer. The next is the shape, how many rows and columns. So there are the 1000 rows and 7 columns. Now information, so all are the integer type, the one reputation score are the float types. It shows the mean, count the mean value, standard deviation. The next one is the correlation. So we see the visualize the correlation where I pass plt dot figure, then give the figure sizes the 10 and 6 using the sns dot heat map where I pass the df dot correlation, this is the function name, and not equal to, and cmap is cold warm. Then give the title feature correlation heat map and plt dot show. So it gives the correlation with all columns. So you can see the, this is the correlation. Now count the how many spammer and not spammer. So it gives the 0. I told you the 0 stand for not spammer. So 730 is not spammer, and 287 is the spammer. Now feature and target, which we is the v. So x equal df dot drop, which we want to drop is spammer, and axis equal 1, print to x. Y, then we pass the same is spammer and print the value. The next one is the, I am using the line plot. So sns dot line plot where I pass the data equal df is a data frame name, and x I pass the column name, followers, and Y I pass the column name tweet count. How many followers tweet the count tweet, and then plt dot title tweet count and plt dot show. So you can see the how much people are. So tweet count is goes to the 20,000 and followers is the 1,000. The next is also using the bar plot. So where I pass some values plt dot arguments, then figures size given the 10 and 8, then using the SNS bar plot data equal df x I have given the account days and y I have passed the reputation score. These both are the column name. Then title I give the reputation score, then plt x bricks row, and then where we pass the it rotate 90 degree and plt dot show. So it will take some time. Reputation score and sorry account days is the black line. It show the account days and blue is the reputation score. The next one is the training and testing data. So from sklearn.module selection import train and testing, then split the data. So xtrain, xtest, ytrain, ytest, where we pass train test and split, then x and y, and test side I have given the 0.2. It means 80% is the training data and 20% is the testing data, and random is equal 42. Okay, it's working. The next one is looking the shape after the it show the 806 column. Then next is the 800. Same is the X test and Y test. So it gives the after testing the row is 206 column. And then now next is the model. I am using the random forest classifier. Okay, now create the method. So I have used the RFC random forest classifier where I pass the random, and then an estimator I have given 100 and random state equal 42. You can pass any number. The next one is the RF is a method name dot fit, which we want to fit X train and Y train. So it shows the random forest. Now create a variable name y predict because we want to predict the data. Then pass the method name rfc dot predict, which we want to predict x test data, and then print y predict. So it give the array format. The next one is the from sklearn matrix, where is the classification report or confusion matrix and accuracy score. Now check. So first is the classification report. So it gives the classification report is the precision 69, recall, and accuracy. It show the accuracy is the 60 66. Now accuracy it also shows the 66. There is also classification report. This is the accuracy. Now confusion matrix with visualize. So if this is the created variable cm is a and then we pass the confusion matrix. and which we want to see the confusion matrix, y test and y predict. Then use the heat map, heat, where we pass the cm is a method name, then and not equal to fnt is file format is d, then we pass extract label is the genuine, how much people are genuine and spanner. White rig is the same, we pass the name, then title confusion metric, and PLT X level where we pass the predict data, and PLT Y level is actual data, and PLT dot show. So this is the confusion metric. How many genuine people are 131. This and spammer is the 16 and 8. The next one is the feature importance. So feature importance, this is the importance where importance is the uh, inbuilt function equal RFC method name random forest, then feature importance. Okay, then feature where we pass the x dot column, all column name indices equal np dot argument arg sort importance colon minus 1. It means in these np dot arguments, it also function of the numpy, it return the indices that would be sort an array in descending order. Okay, then PLT figure size, give the figure size, and using the bar plot, X is the importance, and indices Y feature is also indices, and give the title feature importance and PLT dot show. So there is the features. So profile picture is 25, then is the 0.17 is the followers, sorry following followers, which is the main features. Now this is the second method for feature importance. You can use first one or you can use the second one. Then it is also give the number feature importance, then pd dot series where we pass the method name random forest classifier dot feature importance, then index x dot column, and feature importance dot sort value where we dot plot kind equal to bar plot, and then the title and plt dot show. So this is the same, both are the same, which one is suitable for you, you can use it. So this is the project about the spammer detection and fake user identifier on social network. Thank you.